Presenting the Canon PIXMA E477 all-in-one wireless ink-efficient color printer. The printer is ideal for occasional home and small office usage requiring 100 to 300 pages per month. The compact design allows you to save space on your desktop. The printer uses the ink-efficient technology to produce high-quality prints. This multifunction printer can perform print, scan, and copy functions. It can print in color and black and white. Connect to the printer with Wi-Fi, USB, or Canon Selfie app. You get a printing speed of up to 8 black and white pages or 4 color pages per minute. The printer also supports multiple paper sizes and borderless printing to help you with your various print requirements. You get a printing cost of 1.3 rupees for black and white prints and 3.5 rupees for color prints. The compatible ink bottle for this printer is PG47 black and CL57 color. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods, or avail no-cost EMI where available. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.